The purpose of this video is to teach you how to make your own Skyhook out of simple casting stockinette. The first step is to choose the appropriately sized stockinette for your patient. Most adult patients will do well with size 3 stockinette. For smaller patients, such as pediatric patients, size 2 may be used, and for larger patients, size 4 may be used for an appropriately sized Skyhook. After you've gotten a stockinette appropriately sized for your patient's arm, cut the stockinette off hamburger style, that is, perpendicular to its longest axis, at a length of approximately fingertip to fingertip from your right arm to your left arm, with the arms spread wide. Place the stockinette on a flat surface and cut the stockinette in half hot dog style, that is, parallel to its longest axis, for about the length of one arm, or more if the patient is obese. This might be about 1/3 to 1/2 of your total stockinette length. Open the uncut segment of the stockinette and put the patient's arm in the stockinette as if you were about to splint the patient. Start at the junction of the uncut stockinette and this cut stockinette so that when finished the fingers are at one end and the shoulder is in the middle, with the hot dog style flaps hanging anteriorly and posteriorly to the shoulder along the patient's torso. The cut segment of the stockinette should be at the shoulder with the two hot dog style flaps hanging anteriorly and posterior to the shoulder. Tie these flaps around the patient's torso and under the contralateral arm like a Miss America sash. The uncut end of the stockinette should be distal to the fingertips. Tie this end to an IV pole and elevate the arm. Congratulations! Now that your patient's been appropriately skyhooked, get yourself to a barbecue, have a hamburger, have a hot dog. You deserve it.